Everyone, here in my Acura TSX 2009, I'm having a rich condition with my car. It's consuming a lot of fuel, and I did some diagnosis and I ended up with one last thing to check, which is related to the fuel injectors. My car is 4-cylinder, so I have 4 fuel injectors. I'm gonna replace them, and I'm gonna show you right now how to replace them. So to replace them, you need the wrench, you need a piece of cloth, and that's it, very much it. So let's dig into it, and I will show you how to get them off, replace them. This is what my Acura looks like from inside. So to get into the fuel injector, first you need to take off these and open this cover, and after you open this cover you will end up with this. So now to get into this, you will see that you have the injectors down there. There are 4 of them. There's like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see them all the way down there in that area. They are right here. So to get into that, let's unplug all the wires and show you how to do that step by step. Let's start with these plugs. There's one connected to this injector, so you push on this one and you pull. So let's do that. 2, 3, and there's the other one here, right there. Push, pull, and you also need to unplug this one. That's it. And now there is like this one right here that I need to take off, and there is another one right here. It's another 2 right here. Right now for this one you have this part and this part right here. You take them away like this and you pull. So but you need to do it synchronously for both of them. Now we took this part away. We have now to unplug all of this out. Once you plug it, just like boop. So I'm gonna take this whole part out. But alright. So now we took this part. Now we're gonna take this out. Okay. And now you have your fuel injector right here. Here we have 4 fuel injectors right here. To take this fuel injector, please look at this one. Now this one is used like kind of to keep it together. So we're gonna take this away and plug these fuel injector. But before that, you have to use a piece of cloth because some fuel will come out from here once you unplug it. So let's do that. Alright, I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna do this right now. Goodness, it's hot here in Texas. Hallelujah. Alright, so first you're gonna take this part out. So this is where you're gonna take away. And we're gonna unplug them and the fuel will come out. So, whoop. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Fuel comes out. Okay. Move to the next one. I'm gonna open this. Again. Now we're gonna pull this out. Oh shit, love gas. Third one. It's really hard to do it in a hot weather, man. Oh, okay. 2, 3 shit of gas. Last one. Oh my goodness. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now we took all of them from here, and you're gonna do the reverse engineering once you plug them back. Be careful with the gas. Make sure nothing fire around you. Nobody's smoking or doing anything stupid next to you. So this is how you take them out. You replace them, reverse engineering by doing the same thing. So that's my video. I hope that helps.